guys, I'm Yelda. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since the last video, and as you can see right now I'm on the ferry to Vancouver. Finally, today is the day. I'm going to install a new front spoiler, new rear diffuser and new wire pipe to my car. And I think it will be great when it's done. I cannot wait for it. And I hope there is no more issues on my car. I will see you later when I get the workshop. So here I am at the RPI equipped workshop. I just drove off my car and I will come back later. Also huge thanks to them for lending me this car to getting around. Now here I am at the range indoor shooting. Let's play some guns and then we are going to pick up the car.
You're lucky with your left eye? So, who's shooting this? 5 or 6 of us? Yeah, so... No? No, I said no. Oh. Right hand's gonna hold on the pistol.
You just forward into the recoil, right? Seat on top of butt stop, just like so. Okay? You'll be looking through this sight, so it's going to be a rear peep sight and a front sight post. So you're going to imagine a crosshairs on the rear peep sight and put the tip of the front sight post in the center of the imaginary crosshairs. Then tip onto the target. Okay?
Wait 1 second.
So you can put 6 in here. Right? You're gonna take the round, push it off to the left.
Did you know me?
Just like that. Okay, so put 6 in there. Pump nice and hard. You want to make sure that you pump hard, not right? You don't want to do that. Cool. Right. Then butt stop tight to the shoulder, leaning forward, the same right. Okay? On paper now. Pump it nice and hard. Perfect. There you go. Last one. Make it count. All done, skis.
This is for the big toy M60. I cannot wait for that.
Alright, so butt stop into the shoulder, leaning forward, just like this. Okay? You're gonna put the red dot onto the target. You don't gotta worry about that. Red dot onto the target. Okay? All done. So how was it?
Yeah,
good?
it's good. This is the shoot gun and the handgun. And this is the M60. Those shoots were so amazing. I really recommend you guys to have a play. And right now we are going to pick up the car. I cannot wait for it. Hi guys, now the car is finished. As you can see, let me show you. This is the rear diffuser. And this rear diffuser comes with this rain light, or you can call it fog light. Also will be tint this rain light to match the tail light. This brand is called Cabrio. It is a Chinese brand. I think the shape of rear diffuser is much aggressive than Morphe Auto Design's one. And let me show you the front. See the front what look like. I really like this shape on the two sides. As you can see, the fitment is not bad. And this brand is called Cabrio. So how do you guys think the new front spoiler and the new rear diffuser? Let me know in comments below. And this will be end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. And if you guys need installing any parts, if you are in BC, just come here to RPI Equip. They will do an amazing job for you. This workshop is my favorite one. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.